asuntoskeittiö Tuulensuun.
Finally got inside even here today on the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September today. We were really lucky because we have gotten this staircase and then staircase E, F and G today. We have only the 6 A, B and C left to be filmed properly.
Yeah.
Here in this extension building. It's got 3 staircases, 3 addresses,
Yeah.
7 staircases in total.
Yeah.
Built by ValmetSchlieren, capacity is 3 persons to 200 photographs. It was originally built in 1929 by Strömmen, but all the other wings were replaced in different years. This one, for example, was replaced in 1965. It turned 55 years old in the last year, 2020. It will be expected this year, 2021. The serial number is VS679. Very amazing. Maybe it's the oldest one of these.
Yeah.
Let's try it. It's slower.
Yeah.
But still those 2 lights and the lamp indicator.
Yeah.
It's one of the most beautiful 1960s I've ever seen.
Yeah.
It's also in Tampere, Birkaland, Finland. And of course I'm gonna check the address on this side.
Yeah.
This is the only staircase also on this side.
Yeah.
And then we have only on the Hämeenpuisto street left the staircases A, B and C.
Mm.
And of course you can also watch the staircases E, F and G here.
Yeah.
Which are filmed properly so far. Also the basement door is locked off here. So far the best one of these 7.
Yeah.
Sadly they're going to be replaced in 2023. So of course all 7 have to be filmed.
Yeah.
Because they're also different. That makes them even more interesting.
Mm.
But of course also this could have been made faster.
Of course. Expected package maintained by Suomen hissiurakointi.
Yeah. Now that's it, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we will also get to the staircases A, B and C as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Then you can do the right for me.
That's